Imagine driving the same car for years, 200,000 miles, 300,000, some even push past 500,000, and keep going. It sounds unrealistic, but it's happened more times than you'd think. Today, we're talking about 13 cars that are known for refusing to die. These aren't just reliable on paper. They've been proven by real owners, mechanics, and decades of hard use. From everyday family cars to rugged SUVs and legendary sedans, these vehicles are famous for hitting mileage numbers most cars never reach. Let's get into it. The Honda Odyssey is where we start. Since the 1990s, it's been one of the most trusted family vehicles on the road. Owners regularly report Odysseys running well past 300,000 miles with basic maintenance. Later models score highly for reliability and safety, while keeping ownership costs low. Comfortable, practical, and long-lasting. It's one of the toughest minivans ever built. The Mazda Miata proves that sports cars don't have to be fragile. Its simple design, lightweight build, and easy maintenance allow many Miatas to reach over 200,000 miles. Parts are cheap, repairs are straightforward, and the car was never overcomplicated. If you want something fun that won't fall apart, the Miata is a rare exception. The Subaru legacy is often overlooked, but it's earned its reputation quietly. Earlier generations, especially mid-2000s models, are known for solid all-wheel drive systems and dependable engines. While not every year is perfect, well-maintained legacies commonly rack up high mileage and remain reliable daily drivers in all weather conditions. The Mazda 6 is one of the most underrated long-term sedans out there. Its naturally aspirated engines, smooth automatic transmission, and strong chassis help it age extremely well. Many owners report Mazda 6 models running for hundreds of thousands of miles, making it a smart choice for anyone who wants durability without sacrificing driving feel. If you're enjoying the video so far, take a second to subscribe. It really helps the channel, and we've got more coming. The Ford F-150 is practically built for endurance. Certain generations, especially those with proven EcoBoost engines, are known to handle extreme workloads for years. Aluminum body panels resist rust, and the drivetrains are designed to survive heavy use. With proper care, the F-150 is one of the longest-lasting trucks ever made. The Chevrolet Suburban is another vehicle built for long distances. With massive cargo space and strong engine options, it's often used by families, fleets, and businesses that need reliability above all else. Diesel versions in particular are known to push past 400,000 miles without major issues. The Mercedes-Benz E-Class W124 comes from a different era. Built between the 1980s and 1990s, it was famously over-engineered. Many of these cars, especially diesel models, have crossed 500,000 miles with nothing more than routine maintenance. It's one of the clearest examples of durability-first engineering. The Toyota Camry has become almost synonymous with reliability. Simple engines, proven transmissions, and low maintenance costs allow Camrys to reach incredible mileage. Seeing one with 300,000 to 600,000 miles isn't unusual, which is why it remains one of the most trusted cars worldwide. The Honda Accord has earned its reputation the hard way. Strong engines, solid build quality, and efficient performance make it a car that just keeps going. Many owners report Accord still running smoothly after 300,000 miles, making it a reliable long-term daily driver. The Toyota 4Runner is built like a tank. Its body-on-frame construction and legendary engines allow it to survive rough terrain, bad weather, and years of abuse. High-mileage 4Runners are common, and they hold their value for a reason. The Toyota Land Cruiser is a global icon for durability. Designed for harsh environments, it's known to last hundreds of thousands of miles, sometimes even more. While expensive, its reliability and longevity have made it one of the most trusted SUVs ever built. The Toyota Sequoia is another full-size SUV that refuses to quit. Later models improved ride quality and reliability, and owners report very few major issues, even after years of use. It's spacious, powerful, and built to last far longer than most vehicles in its class. At the top of the list is the Lexus LS400. This car changed the luxury market by proving that comfort and reliability could coexist. Famous examples have reached 1 million miles, and many others continue running smoothly decades later. With a durable V8, quiet cabin, and relatively low maintenance costs, the LS400 remains one of the most reliable cars ever made. And that's our breakdown of 13 cars that simply never break down. If you want to see the other side of the story, check out our next video on cars that struggle to last even 40,000 miles.